Alright, what's going on YouTube? Is Ron Comes in Handy. I'm giving you guys another video. It's not necessarily a handyman video, but it's a oil change, car oil change. You can do it yourself, real easy. But let's jump right into it. So I got these ramps right here. In case your car's not lifted, got these ramps. I'm gonna drive it up so I can get underneath it. I got me a cardboard box so I can put this oil pan or oil catcher on top of the box so the oil could drip in there, and so I won't make a mess in case I do make a mess. This is deep enough to where I don't think I'll make a mess, but just for precautions right here. And I got my toolbox with all my ratchets and wrenches. You don't need that many tools to do this job. It's real easy. So, and I got a few towels just for like cleanup. So let's get in the car. We're going to drive up this ramp. If this is the first time doing it, you might want to get somebody to like guide you, but I've done this plenty of times to where I know where I know where when the car's on the ramp completely. So let's get this. All right, car's on the ramp. Make sure you got some gloves, and make sure your car hasn't been running a lot. I just started to put it on the ramp, but make sure it hasn't been running for a long time, because just for a chance that the oil might spill on your hands. But it's real easy. I'm gonna go underneath there and figure out what ratchet or wrench I need. I think it's this one right here. This is a 3/4. Sounds a bit too big, but we're about to figure out. And then I also got these right here. And my ratchet set right here. I have another one. All right, underneath the car, and this underneath the car, and here is my oil pan right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's that guy right there. It's a 15 millimeter. So I have the oil catcher right here with the cardboard underneath it. Position it, and remember guys, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Right in there. So let's see. All right, so I broke it free. Now I'm just gonna untwist it. I'm gonna do it real fast so the oil could drop in there. Move my hand out the way and let it go. And it's gonna fill up in there. So I'll come back when it's done draining. All right, so pop the hood. My agent has a cover on it, so take this off. Depending on your car, your oil filter might be underneath it, right where the pan's at, or it might be on top where mine is. This is mine right here. So I'm gonna get one of my adjustable wrenches. This guy right here. Actually, what I always do, I put a towel in there just in case some oil leaks out. Right in there. And if a little oil spills, it doesn't hurt the car. There's the old engine oil, right? The oil filter, I mean. Gotta get the new one. All right, new one in, old one off. We'll put this right back in there. If you guys don't know what type of oil filter you need, or oil, Just go to your local like auto store, O'Reilly's, or almost said Kragen's, O'Reilly's or AutoZone, and just tell them like the make and model of your car, down to the specs. Like mine's a Dodge Journey 2017 SXT, all-wheel drive, and they'll tell you all you need for this stuff. And sometimes they even have like kits, oil change kits you could buy for a discount and stuff. So I'm gonna make sure I tighten this all the way. Don't over tighten it because it is plastic. So I cut it, push it in there, cut it with these. I just found these lying around. And now I'm about to pour the 5 quart in there. Ugh. This way. I still spilled. All right, got it all. Let's see, put the cap back on. Clean up my mess. All right. Put this cover back on. There you go. What I'm going to do with the old oil, I'm just going to pour it back in here. Use that funnel. I'm just going to pour it back in there. And you can take it back to O'Reilly's or AutoZone and they'll recycle it. So that's how I do it. And there you guys go. How to change your own oil for your car. Easy. Minimal tools. It'll save you some money, especially if your car is full synthetic. You got a lot of miles on it. It'll save you some money. This oil was only $50, or everything was like $50-$60, and it depends on your car too. Depends on the brand of oil. Depends if it's full synthetic, and depends all you buy. So I already had the filter already, so this was like only $50, opposed to going to like Speedies or whoever oil change place, and they charge you like $100 plus. So save you some money. So this helped you guys out. Please like, please subscribe. Have any questions? Comment. If you have any criticism, I don't mind. Give it to me. Peace. 3